Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and we are here for our online morning maths class. I hope you all are doing great. So children, let's start with our maths class. Before we start, would like to tell you that we are going live on YouTube. All the sessions go live on YouTube. So I would request you all to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and make full use of it. There is a chat box, live chat under the video. You can also write your message or ask me any queries over there and also respond to the questions. So today we are going to do divisibility rules. Let's see what are divisibility rules. Divisibility rule of 2 says all even numbers are divisible by 2. All the even numbers. If you remember in the last class and before that we did even numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. So even numbers are the numbers which end with, you know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. You can make a pair of 2. So all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Now, if we need to see if this number is divisible by 2 or not, you need not to do like this. No, not at all. You just need to see the last digit, the ones place or the unit place. Is 8 an even number? Yes, it is an even number. That means it is divisible by 2. Now tell me for this, is this an even number? Like, is this divisible by 2? Is this divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible by 2 because the unit's place is odd. So it is not divisible by it. Check for this. Don't even think that, oh God, this digit is so big. How can we check? No need to worry. Just look at the last. That means one's place or the unit place. One is there. Okay, so it's an odd number. That means it's not divisible. You just need to see whether it's the unit place is even or odd. If it's even, it is divisible by 2. If it's odd, it's not divisible by 2. 2, it is an even number. So, yes, this is divisible by 2. Yeah? Let's be quick here. Next, is this number divisible by 2? It's an even or odd number? Even number. So, yes, it is divisible by 2. Now, let's see the divisibility rule of 3. If sum of the digits of number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now, what does it say? Let's say the number is 45. 4 plus 5. If sum of the digits of number is divisible by 3, if you add up the digits and that is divisible by 3, that means the number is divisible by 3. Do you see 9 in the table of 3? Yes, we do. 9 divided by 3. It is divisible. We get 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. You just need to do the sum of the digits. And if that sum is divisible by 3, entire number is divisible by 3. 145. Do you see, like, this is 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Is 10 divisible by 3? No, it's not exactly divisible by 3. That means 145 is also not divisible by 3. Clear? 286, what will you do? 2 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Is 16 exactly divisible by 3? 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. No, 16 is not exactly divisible by 3. That means 286 is not divisible by 3. 946. Quickly check it. Check 946. So 9 plus 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Do you see 19 in the table of 3? Is 19 divisible by 3? No, it's not. It's not exactly divisible by 3. That means 946 is also not divisible by 3. 899. What about 899? So 8 plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. Do you see 26 in the table of 3? Is 26 exactly divisible by 3? 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. No, 26 is not divisible by 3. That means this number is also not divisible by 3. Oh my God. 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Do it. So 9 plus 9 is 18, 27, 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. Is 40 exactly divisible by 3? 40 does not come in the table of 3 because 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36. Then 3 times 13 is 39. Then we have 42. 3 times 14 is 42. So it's not divisible by 3. That means this is also not divisible by 3. 133. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. No, 7 is not exactly divisible by 3. So this is also not divisible by 3. 233. 233. So 2 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is not exactly divisible by 3. That means 233 is also not divisible by 3. Now this. Two plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Three plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. This is 11. Is 11 divisible by 3? No, it's not. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Okay. Now let's do one more over here. Okay. This is the next one. 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? Do you see 15 in the table of 3? Yes, we do see it. That means this number is also divisible by 3. So till now, we have learned the divisibility rule of 2 and 3, which is very important to learn the divisibility rule of 6. Now, what does the divisibility rule of 6 say? It says that, you know that 6 is equal to 2 times 3. The multiples of 2 and 3, is the multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. And the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. You know that. So for a number to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. If you are checking for a number that has to be divisible by 6 or not, you have to check for both 2 and 3. That number should be divisible by both number 2 and number 3. Okay. Now, let's see. The number must be even to be divisible by 2 and the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Okay. So you have to apply both the rules of the divisibility rules of 2 and so the number must be even to be divisible by 2 and the sum of digits must be divisible by 3. Let's see. You have to check for both 2 and 3. Remember that. Check if the number is divisible by 6 or not. So to know the divisibility rule of 6, you should know for 2 and 3. Okay. Next, let's see. First, we will see for 2. Is it divisible by 2? No, it's not. Then there is no use of checking for 3, because you need to fulfill both the criterias. It should be divisible by 2 and it should also be divisible by 3. If it's divisible by only one number, then there is no use to check for, like, if it's divisible by only one number and not by the other, that means it will not be divisible by the other number. So to fulfill the criteria, like to see if this number is divisible by 6, you need to check for both 2 and 3. Okay? It's not like if it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, or it is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2. No, it should be divisible by both the numbers. So here it is not divisible by 2, but I don't know, I have not checked for 3, because I will not, obviously, because both the criteria should be fulfilled. And here 1 is getting cancelled. So no. Let's see this. Right? So over here, let's see. 2. It is divisible by 2. I can see that because it's an even number. Right? Let's check for 3. What was the divisibility rule of 3? 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay? Let's check. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Do you see 13 in the table of 3? I don't. So 13 is not divisible by 3. That's why the entire number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Let's check for the other. 4,557. Let's check for this. You have to check for both 2 and 3. So for 2, let's see. For 2, it's an odd number here. That means it's not divisible by 2. I'll not further check for 3 as well. Because if one criteria is not being fulfilled, I'll not go for the other one. The condition is that it should be divisible by both. If it's not being divisible by any one of these, that means it's not divisible by 6. Let's check for the next one. These are super easy, you know. The first is 5. The ones place, at the ones place, it's 5. 5 is an odd number. So 2, the divisibility rule of 2 says that the number should end with 2. The numbers that end with 2, they are divisible by 2. But this is odd. That means it's not divisible by 2 as well. So I'll not check for 3. If you want to try, you can. 9 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 9, 19. 19 divided by 3, it's not exactly divisible. So that means it's not divisible by 3 also. Even if it is divisible by 3, it will not be divisible by 6 because it's not divisible by 2. The rule says it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Both. Next. For 2 and 3, I have to check. I can clearly see that it is not divisible by 2 because it's an odd. So it's not divisible by 2. I'll not check for 3 because it is not divisible by 2. Why should I check for 3? Because the rule says it should be divisible by both. Next. The ones place is 4, which is an even number. That means it is divisible by 2. Let's check for 3. 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And I know that 9 is exactly divisible by 3. That means this number, entire number, is divisible by 6. 2034 is divisible by 6. Because the criteria is being fulfilled here, right? It is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Okay? Next, let's check for this. So for 2, I can see it's not divisible by 2 because it's ending with 5. 5 is an odd number, right? So as 5 is an odd number, this number is not going to be divisible by 2. So I'll not check for 3. This entire number is not divisible by 2. Okay, next one, 617. 617. So 7, I need to check for 2 and 3, right? 7 is not divisible by 2. I can see that. Okay, 7 is not divisible by 2. So that means the entire number is not divisible by 6. Because we need to check for both. Yeah. Next. Let's do it quickly. 7 is not divisible by 2 again. So this is not divisible by 6. 213. Again, it's ending with it's ending with 3. So it is not divisible by 2. I'll not check for 3. This number is not divisible by 6. Now we have got a bigger number. 4 is divisible by 2. Let's check for 3. 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. I'll add 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 4, that is 27. Okay. Let's check again. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. Do you see 27 in the table of 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 is 27. 27 is exactly divisible by 3. So that's why 3 is the, this number is divisible by what? This number is divisible by 6. Next, 2 and 3. This number is divisible by 2 because it is ending for 2 with 2, right? And for 3, let's check for 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 2, 9. Yeah, 9 is exactly divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. Next, 2 and 3. This is divisible by 2 because I can see it's an even number. Let's check for 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. That means this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. No matter how big or small the number is, you just have to do like this. Okay, right. So next is, let's check for 2. Yes, I can see it is divisible by 2. 5 plus 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35 plus 8, 43. We are checking for 3 now. 43 is divisible by 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 3. Add 6 as well. Okay? Right? So that's how we do the divisibility rules. And children, that's all for our today's class. I hope you understood the divisibility rules of 2, 3, and 6. 2 says it should end with 0, 2, like the even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 3 says the divisibility rule of 3 says that, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. And 6 says it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So that's how you have to do it. So thank you so much, children, for joining. I'll see you again tomorrow. By the time, take care and have fun. Have a good day.